how to restore deleted photos and videos from Facebook. Hi guys, I'm back with a new video, and in this episode I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can restore deleted photos and videos from Facebook. In order to do this procedure, first of all, make sure that your application is completely updated, and then log into your account. Once logged in, tap the try bar icon from the top right hand side and go to the gear icon. As you do that, it's going to direct you to the settings and privacy page. While you're on this page, scroll down right to the bottom to the section that says your information. So basically you have to go to download your information and click the continue button in order to proceed on to the next step. After that, you need to go through all of these, and while you're on this page, you need to tap on download and transfer information. Make sure to unmark all of these accounts that is not needed and click the next button. Now you'll be provided with two different options, that is, either you want to do it for available information or specific type of information. Select specific type, and here you need to go and select post since you're doing it for deleted photos or videos from Facebook, and tap the next button. Now you need to select the device where you actually want the information to be. So go through it and accordingly create the file. After you've done that, it's going to take a while in order to complete restore your data. So until you get further notified, you have to wait patiently. So that's basically how you can restore deleted photos and videos from Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.